Hi, this is Silent Solution. Today enable another video playbooks. Today we're just service module working. Silent Solution and Red Hat Linux cloud related video you can see and visit. I think have many idea this channel. Uh, let's go. Today we're service module have playbook. This is my server app is a firewall is active, is a server 2 is active. Let's go. First of all, classroom ls ansible all and team. Ping. Our ping model is working now. We're go for all. Let's go. Just we are right scripting insert false. Just stop it. STOPPE. Okay. Stop it. The shape and running for all. Yeah, this changes. Let's go our enable our service enable and started. Our service enable and started. Now we are checking our service is disable and stop it. It disable and stop it. But now we are again modify our script. True. Start it. And again we are running. It's working. Now we are just clear and it is enable and started. It is enable and started. You can see my playlist. I think have many idea where is Red Hat REC. Here is a play book, first playbook, right?